Guys, it's me none other than your Jimmy Geek. So here is the TCL. If you don't know, TCL is a huge popular company for making the television, the 4K television, where a beautiful Chinese girl, wow, with super tight clothes. Again, if you go to Walmart, you can see TCL TV, and you know what video I'm talking about. But other than that, I'm a huge fan of TCL because even they bought the Plum trademark name. If you don't know, Plum was a huge PDA manufacturer back in the day. The Plum was, but this video about the TCL thumping loud in brush. I don't know what it's the MT. It's called the Metro or MTR or whatever it's called. Headphone unboxing and review. Okay, from the back. Let me get inside. Okay, and unscrew it. Unscrew it. Okay. Overall, it's quite lightweight. The only the weak point is that it can easily break from here if you sit down. If you do not take care, the good thing is that it's flat. You can easily put it in your backpack, passenger bag. It's quite lightweight. The cushion is one of the best, I think. So I have bought a lot of Sony headphone. I hate their cushion. It's very hard. It's very light. The cushion is very comfortable, to be honest with you. The quality seems amazing. I mean, again, this is plasticky. This is not that high quality plastic. It's somewhere like mid-level to low quality plastic, but I'm liking it. For like 15 bucks, 20 bucks. I'm liking this plastic. I'm liking this plastic. Why I'm liking this plastic is lightweight. Yeah, I'm liking it. So jump to me. Let's jump outside. I'm gonna put on my beautiful hat and then tell you should you buy or not. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and buy. Do not subscribe and buy. Let's jump out. So this is the headphone I'm wearing it. As you can see from the side, it's really very comfortable, and then I'm really liking it overall. It's quite comfortable, to be honest with you. Yeah, overall I can easily recommend it. Quality is quite good. Yeah, I'm really liking it. It's quite good, to be honest with you. At the end of the what you think? I really like it's quite cheap. It's a budget headphone. Overall, it's quite good, very comfortable. As you can see, the cushion is very comfortable. Overall, it's quite nice. It's a must buy. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and buy.